All right, open up your MTT. We're going to talk about two equations that we're going to be working with today. One is called the percent proportion, and one is called the percent equation. Both equations find the same answer. The percent proportion is written is over of is equal to percent over 100. The is the part of the total that you are looking for, and then the percent, of course, is the part of the percent that we're going to be looking for as well. Percent equation is equal to percent times the of number. And the percent, you need to remember, you're always going to change to a decimal. So I always make a large obnoxious decimal inside the parentheses to help me remember that. So let's go ahead and start. 36 is. So 36 is the part that we are given. So I'm going to put a box around that one. The percentage is really easy to find. That's the number that has a percent sign underneath or behind it. And then the of, I'm going to go ahead and circle. So now all I'm going to do is fill in the pieces that I have. I'm always going to fill in the percent first. So I'm going to write my formula. Is over of is equal to percent over 100. The percent is 72, so I'm going to put the 72 in over 100 is equal to the is number, the 36 is, that's the part of the total, and the total, the of number, we don't know, so that's x. So whatever we don't know, we write our x above. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to butterfly. So we're going to do 72x is equal to 3600, divide by 72, divide by 72, 72, x is equal to 50. Now we're going to use the percent equation. We're going to use the same exact pieces, but we're going to put it into a different formula. So the is number is the 36. Now remember, the percent we have to make into a decimal, so we're going to make it 0.72, and the x is the of number, which we don't know. So we're going to use symmetrical. 0.72x is equal to 36. Divide by 0.72, divide by 0.72, and x is going to equal 50. You'll notice that you get the same answer, two different formulas. Okay, let's do another one. All right, so let's find our percent first. Here's our percent. And then what is, we don't know what that is, so that's x. And then of 175. So now we're going to fill in what we know. We're going to write the formula first. Is over of is equal to percent over 100. Now our is x, our of is 175, and our percent is 44 over 100. Now a lot of times it's easier to put the percent in first, so you can put the 44 over 100 first, and then put in the is, and then the of. Now we're going to go ahead and butterfly. So we're going to have 100x is equal to 7700 when we multiply 175 times 44. Divide by 100, divide by 100, so x is going to equal 77. All right, now we're going to use the percent equation. So our is, we don't know, is x. Our percent, remember, we have to make it the big obnoxious decimal, so we're going to make that 0.44. And we're going to multiply 0.44 times 175. And when we do that, we're going to get 77. Notice we get the same answer. All right, the last one, we're going to be looking for the percent, because you'll notice that we don't have a percent sign. So that is going to be our x. Okay? And then we have our is number, and then we have our of number. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put our x in over 100 first. And then our is number is 17, and our of number is 85. We're going to go ahead and do our butterfly. So it's going to be 85x is equal to 1700. Divide by 85. Divide by 85. X is equal to 20. All right, over here we're going to put in our 17 for our is. We don't have a percent, and then we have times 85. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do commutative and symmetrical at the same time. So 85x is equal to 17. Divide by 85, divide by 85, and we get x is equal to 0.2. Now remember, that's the decimal that we changed the percent into. So now we're going to have to times this by 100 to get what the percent was. And so that will be 20%. All right, very good.